Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Meet Sabache, and I am an accredited seller of the MCA Homes. So today, samahan niyo ako i-update ko kayo sa construction ni Satori Residences. Okay po. Hello po, so kamusta po kayo? So right now, nandito ako kay Satori Residences. So, i-update ko kayo sa current construction nito because I was here ang last construction update ko yata dito was 2 months ago pa yata. Pero right now, since na nasa area ako, dumaan na ako dito para i-update din kayo sa current construction ni Satori Residences. So, pero before that, a quick information about Satori Residences. So, Satori Residences is located along F. Pasco Avenue in Barangay Santolan, Pasig City. Ngayon, malapit itong project na to kay Ateneo de Manila University and kay Katipunan. And also malapit rin siya kay SM Marikina. Okay? So currently, nasa 86% completion na po itong project na to because dalawang buildings na dito ang ready for occupancy na. Pero meron pa tayong pre-selling buildings na 3. So all in all, we have 5 buildings here, okay, na hanggang 16 to 17 floors per building. So kagandahan nito, hindi po siya ganong kataas. So medyo low mid-rise. Pero consider the high-rise kasi ang building po once na nasa 16 floors na siya. So consider the high-rise na siya. So dito po kay Satori Residences, may mga available units pa tayo dito na 1 bedroom unit and 2 bedroom unit. Okay? So ito yung current update natin. So yung last video ko, so this is Hakana building and that's the Amina building. Okay? So before, ito yung lap pool natin saka yung lounge pool. Tama po. So ngayon binuksan na natin si Hakana. So nandito before yung harang, so nagtitrim sila ng garden ng grass ngayon. Ito na yung harang, and then ito na yung continuation na sinasabi ko na amenity area. Okay? So nandito ngayon yung kiddie pool. So may lawn dito, napakaganda dito. So ito yung lawn, ito yung gazebo natin. May shower area ulit doon. And then at the same time, nandito na yung kiddie pool natin na merong rock slide. Diba? So napakaganda. And this is the second building. This is Lana building. Okay? So I think may mga available pa dito na unit. So nandiyan yung numbers ko. Just contact me anytime para makapag-provide ako ng mga sample computations para po sa inyo. And at the same time, pwede rin natin mag-schedule ng site viewing. Okay? So napakaganda po dito. And then this is the children's playground. Diba? So napakaganda po. So ayun na yung kakalahatan niya hanggang dito kay Lana. Ngayon, mapuputol po ulit tayo dito hanggang sa children's playground because under construction pa rin yung that's the last building, the Yasu building and yung Rahu building po natin. Okay? So ganda. Matutuwa po, alam ko po na matutuwa po kayo dito po sa sa project na to, dun sa mga nakabili. Makita po ninyo yung ganitong update natin for this month of November para kay Satori Residences. Right? So, ayun po. So, so that concludes my update po for Satori Residences. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung numbers ko po, naka-flash sa screen nyo, may contact me anytime. Through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, or even through iMessage, pwede nyo makontak. Okay? At the same time, pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing or online presentation. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching po, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video ko YouTube, mana-notify po kayo. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.